Okay, student. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is temperature. This is the lecture of grade 7th, chapter number 4, heat and temperature, and this is its part 2. Okay, so coming to our topic, that is temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is a degree. It is a degree, degree of what? It is the degree of hotness and coldness. Hotness and coldness. Further, I will show you that what is the degree of hotness and coldness. Okay. Here, the temperature is measured by a measurement, an instrument that is called thermometer. Thermometer. It is measured by thermometer. And what is the meaning of thermometer? Thermometer has two meanings, in which thermo, and the next is meter. Thermo means heat. Thermo means simply heat, and the meaning of meter. Meter means a device, an instrument. Okay, so what is thermometer? A heat measurement device. Clear? Very clear? So this is called thermometer, and there are three types of thermometer, in which the first is Fahrenheit thermometer, the second is Celsius thermometer, and the third is Kelvin thermometer. It is also called temperature scales. So we can say that there are three types of temperature scales. The first one is Fahrenheit, the second one is Celsius, and the third one is Kelvin. So I said that later I will say that what is the degree of hotness and coldness. So in order to take an example, I take two balls and two objects. Suppose you can also call two objects, in which this is A and this is B. Here I will show you the temperature, the degree of hotness and coldness in Celsius thermometer, in Celsius scale. It is also called centigrade scale. Okay, it is also called centigrade scale. So if the temperature of A is, suppose, 30 degree Celsius, and the temperature of B is 70 degree Celsius, then we can simply say that the temperature of B is greater than A. So we can say that B is hotter than A and A is colder than B. This is the degree of hotness and coldness. One more example, in which we take A is 30 degree again and B is 10 degree Celsius and centigrade. Here in this example, A is 30 degree and B is 10 degree Celsius. So we can say that A is hotter than B. This is the degree of temperature, and B is colder than A. So here we can clearly see that. So I hope you understand this thing, that what is the degree of hotness and coldness. Again, after this topic, what is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit of temperature is, what? Kelvin. So what is the SI unit of temperature? That is Kelvin. Okay. So after that, the temperature scale is three types, in which Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Here I am going to show that boiling point, freezing point, and absolute zero temperature of regarding to the different kind of temperature scales one by one. Firstly, if we take boiling point of water, then first you have to know that what is boiling point of water and what is melting point. Simply, what is boiling and what is melting, and what is melting point and what is boiling point. And one more also, freezing point. So here, what is melting point? So simple, this is very simple. Melting point, okay na? So the temperature at which a solid started convert into liquid, a temperature at which a solid converted into liquid, this is called its melting point. And what is boiling point? A point of temperature at which a liquid starts boiling, this is called boiling temperature. So here I take some examples. Boiling point of water. So in Fahrenheit scale, the boiling point of water is 212, that is 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Later on, I will show you the relationship between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Okay, and degrees and degree centigrade and Kelvin. I will show you the relationship, but in another lecture. In this lecture, I show you that what is boiling point of water in each and every temperature scales. The first is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit is 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius scale or centigrade scale is 100 degree Celsius, and Kelvin in 373.15 Kelvin. These all are same. These all are the boiling points of water. If I'll ask you that what is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit scale, then you have to say that, and you should say that 212 degree Fahrenheit. If I ask you what is the boiling point of water, and you have four options in which first is 373.15 Kelvin, after that 99 Kelvin, after that 473 Kelvin, and one more is 105 Kelvin. Suppose 100 Kelvin. So you don't confuse in it. The boiling point of water is simply 373.15 Kelvin. So this is very simple questions, and that will ask in your exams. So be prepared. And after that, after the boiling point of water, the freezing point of water, in which at which the temperature at which the liquid convert into solid, this is called its freezing point. That is, the freezing point of water is in Fahrenheit scale 32 degree Fahrenheit to 32 degree Fahrenheit to 0 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 0 degree. In between this temperature, the water converts into ice. Simple. Okay na? And the next is freezing point of water is in degree Celsius is 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius. Oh, sorry. Here minus 18 degree Celsius. After that, the freezing point of water is in Kelvin scale is 273.15 Kelvin. Don't confuse. This is very easy process. These all are same. The 32 degree Fahrenheit, 0 degree Celsius, and 273.15 Kelvin all are same. 0 degree Fahrenheit minus 18 degree Celsius, and 255 Kelvin. These all quantities are same. Okay na? So after that, the absolute zero temperature in Fahrenheit scale, the absolute zero, that is in Fahrenheit scale, that is minus 460 degree Fahrenheit. 460 degree Fahrenheit. 460 degree Fahrenheit. And the absolute zero temperature in Celsius scale is minus 273 degree Celsius, and Kelvin is 0 K, that is 0 Kelvin. So this is boiling point of water, freezing point of water, and absolute zero. So this is all about the temperature. Your homework is to differentiate the heat and the temperature, to differentiate. So this is all about this lecture, and in our next class I will talk about the relationship between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale, the relationship between these two temperature scale, and the relationship between Celsius and Kelvin scale also. Thank you so much. Till then, bye.